Hello there, little kids. Welcome back to Melon Rhymes. Kids, today we are going to learn about healthy and unhealthy food. Healthy food gives us energy and they help us grow. But unhealthy food tastes yummy, but they are not good for us. Let's learn about them. This is an apple. And this is a candy. Which one is a healthy food? Kids, apple is healthy because it gives us vitamins and makes us strong. And candy? Candies can hurt our teeth. So apple is a healthy food. Here is a crunchy carrot and some crispy French fries. Which one is healthy? Kids, carrots are healthy. They are good for our eyes. But French fries are tasty. But too much oil is not good for us. It can make you sick. So carrots are healthy for us. You have to eat a lot of carrots. Okay, little kids? Here's a glass of milk and a bottle of soda. Which one is healthy? Milk is healthy, kids. It makes our bones strong. And soda? It's not good for us. It's full of sugar. So milk is a healthy food. Drink milk every night, kids. Now look at this, kids. A ball of rice and a bag of chips. Which one is a healthy food? Rice is healthy, kids, and it gives us energy. Chips, they are really salty, but not healthy all the time. Eat rice. Rice is a healthy food. Here is some green broccoli. And here's a cold ice cream. Which one is healthy? Broccoli is super healthy and helps us stay strong. Ice cream is yummy, but too much can make us sick. Broccoli is a healthy food. Eat broccoli, kids, and stay stronger. Wow, my friends, we learned a lot about healthy and unhealthy food. Now let's say them together. Apple, carrot, milk, rice, and broccoli. These all are healthy food that help us grow strong and happy. Hey my friends, I'm your teacher, Miss Melon, and today we are going to learn about healthy and unhealthy food. Kids, these are vegetables and fruits, and these are fast food. Which are healthy for us? Let's learn about it. Here we have an apple. Kids, apples are a healthy snack. Apples make our body strong. They make us feel good and they give us a lot of energy. Apple help our body grow big and strong, just like the superheroes. So kids, eat an apple every day. This is a cookie. Kids, cookies are really yummy, but they make us unhealthy. Too many cookies can make us tired, slow, and make our tummy hurt really bad. Remember kids, do not eat cookies all the time. Now we have a carrot here. Kids, carrots are really healthy. They help our eyes see better. They make us feel bright and happy. Kids, always remember to eat your carrots every single day. Here we have some fries. Kids, French fries taste really good, but they are very unhealthy for us. They are full of oil. They make us feel really sleepy and tired. Kids, if you eat fries all the time, you won't be able to play along with your friends outside because fries make you weak. Remember kids, fries not all the time. Here we have a banana. Kids, I love bananas. You know why? Because bananas are healthy for us. They give us a lot of energy to play, power to run, and strength to jump like a superhero. Bananas are really healthy, kids. Remember to eat one banana every single day. This is a lollipop. Kids, do you like lollipops? We all do, but lollipops are never healthy for us. Lollipops have too much sugar, and sugar can make our teeth rot. Kids, you will lose your teeth and your tummy will hurt bad if you eat lollipop all the time. Remember kids, no more lollipops. Here's a bowl of vegetables. This is called a salad. Kids, salads are really healthy for us. They help us stay healthy, help our tummy feel happy, and give our body vitamins. Remember to eat your salad, kids, because salad has all the vegetables. Kids, look at these cute, yummy donuts. They look so good. Do you like donuts? But kids, donuts are not healthy for us. Donuts are sweet and yummy, but eating them too much can make our teeth say, "Oh no, I have a cavity." Yes kids, just like lollipops and other sweets, donut can also make your teeth rot. Do you want to lose your teeth? No one wants it, right? So do not eat donut all the time, kids. Hello there, little kids. I'm Miss Melon, and today I'm going to teach you some manners. Now let's learn them together. My little kids, whenever we eat, we have to close our mouth. We close our mouth when we eat so that we do not make sounds. You know, our chewing sounds can irritate other people. You got to close your mouth when chewing. Just like this one. You've got to eat like this. Remember, little kids, no sound while eating. It's so dirty here. I see a lot of trash. Kids, what do we do with the trash? We throw it in the bin. Good job, little kids. Whenever you eat a chocolate, you have to throw the wrapper in the bin. Just like this one, kids. Throw the trash in the bin so that your surrounding is clean. When you come back from school, you take off your clothes. What do you do with your clothes? You fold them and put them in the closet. Great job! That's a good manner. You take your clothes, you fold them, and then put them into closet. We don't want clothes scattered on the floor. Okay, kids? We want clothes in the closet. That was such a yummy dinner. We had chicken for dinner, right kids? Now what we gonna do with the dishes? That's a lot of dirty dishes. When we eat, we keep the dishes in the sink and we wash them. Yes, little kids, whenever you are done eating, you need to bring the dishes to the sink and wash them. That's a perfectly good manner. Little kids, when we see someone who needs help, we help them. Just like this one. We need to help the one who needs our help. You can share your toys. Yes, kids, you can help someone by sharing your toys. Helping others makes our heart shine. You've got to help the needy. When teacher gives you homework, you've got to finish on time. When you come back from school, the first thing you're gonna do is finish your homework right before your playtime. That's how we learn and grow smart. Now say it, kids. I do my homework on time. Always do your homework on time, kids. Hey there, little kids. I'm your teacher, Miss Melon, and today we are going to learn about our body parts. Look here, kids. These are eyes. Yes, kids, these are our eyes. Can you touch your eyes? These are your eyes, kids, and we use our eyes to see everything around us. Yes, kids, these are eyes. And that's our nose. This is a nose, kids. That's how our nose looks. Touch your finger to your nose. That's your nose. We use our nose to smell flowers, food, and yummy things around us. This is a nose, kids. Look at this one, kids. This is a mouth. That's our mouth, kids. We use our mouth to eat, talk, and sing. The yummy food that you eat is through your mouth. That's our mouth, kids. Can you open your mouth wide? Just like this. This is a mouth. And here we have a pair of ears. These are our ears. Kids, we use our ears to listen to music, voices, and sounds around us. Can you touch your ears? These are your ears. Do you see this? It's our hair. Kids, these are your hair. Can you touch your hair? It's your hair. We use our hair to look pretty and keep our head warm. You can make different hairstyles. Look at our hands, kids. These are hands. This is my hand. Kids, we use our hands to clap, wave, and play with them. Can you clap your hands? Clap them just like this. And look at these little toes here. Kids, these are our toes. These tiny fingers on our foot is our toes. We use our toes to stand, jump, and dance around. Can you wiggle your toes? Wiggle them. Hello there, little kids. I'm your teacher, Miss Melon. and today we are going to learn about musical instruments that makes beautiful sounds for us. Look here, kids, we have a guitar here. It's a guitar. Say it with me, guitar. Kids, the guitar has strings. We play the guitar by strumming the strings like this. That's how you play the guitar. Look at this bouncy thing. It's a drum. That's a drum, kids. Repeat after me. Drum. We play the drum by hitting it just like this. You can use your hands or sometimes sticks. Look at this shiny instrument. It's a trumpet. Kids, this is a trumpet. Say it with me, trumpet. We blow into it like this so that it can make a sound. That's how you blow into a trumpet. This one has a lot of keys. It's a piano. Kids, that's a piano. Say it with me, piano. We play it with our fingers, just like this. You click each key to make it sound. Look here, kids, so many colors. This is a xylophone. That's a xylophone. Say it with me, kids, xylophone. We hit the bars with the sticks so that it can make a beautiful noise for us. Let's play it together. Here we have a violin. It's a violin, kids. Say it with me, violin. We play the violin with a bow so that it can make sound for us. This is how you play the violin, kids. You rest it on your shoulder and then play with it. Wow, my friends, we learned so many musical instruments today. Now can you tell me which one is your favorite? Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.